Good morning, folks. Dan here from Lead with Nature. It is June here in southern Maine, and I'm on a little scrubby mountaintop. Very small little mountain, but nonetheless pretty awesome. Looking out towards the ocean, just basking in the birdsong, basking in the language of birds. Prairie warbler singing away to the north. Catbird putting on a show to the east. Distant ravens. The occasional field sparrow behind me. Very distant bluebirds. Anyway, just fun to be surrounded by the voices of birds and the language of birds. And I want to take this moment to let you know that in July of this month, I'll be offering a rare summer Talking with Birds online class, and I wanted to make sure you knew about it, in case you were curious. It'll be Monday nights for live sessions, 4 weeks. We'll dive into all sorts of cool stuff about how we can be in communication with birds, how we can speak bird more or less, because birds are talking, we can understand it, and it's pretty awesome. On the walk up here this morning, I had an ovenbird right next to me on the road, so loud I could almost feel the song. But then I heard the little alarm call of a bird I couldn't even find. Didn't know where it was coming from, couldn't locate it. It's part of the trick of that sound, by the way. Very hard to locate. Keeps them safe. So, if you're curious about voices of birds and how to speak bird, please join me, Talking with Birds. Course is on sale right now. Go to leadwithnature.com/courses. You'll find it there, or just search for Talking with Birds. And I'll see you hopefully this summer. I'll let us go with more birdsong. Ooh, that's a good one. Indigo bunting, the bird.